Hello everyone, in today's art lesson you will learn about how to paint foggy forest landscape using acrylic paints in set of 3 colors only. For this practice, I'm going to use a piece of cardboard from a box and painted it with white flat acrylic. So let's get started. For this painting, I am going to use this round chunky brush number 11, and for the details I am going to use this fine pointed brush. For the first layer of our painting, I am mixing this white and lamp black together to make dark gray tone. There should be more amount of white paint than black. I want to add a small amount of phthalo blue and mix them well. When I'm done mixing the paints, I'm going to paint the canvas with this gray tone. After this one, I will let it fully dry first before I proceed to the next step. With this white acrylic, I am going to make fog on top of the gray tone. To remove the excess paint, I will wipe the brush on the cloth and make a swirling round motion as I apply the paints. This technique will create a foggy effect. Just simply apply a very thin layer of white so it would appear like a smoke or fog. Please take note that you must not cover all the gray area with fog. When the paint is dry, I will make this line here from the corner going down. This is going to be my guide on where I will put the pine trees. To paint the pine tree, make a straight, narrow line holding your brush straight up, not slant. And as you make the leaves, just simply slide the tip of your brush from the top and pulling it to the side. When the paint is already dry, I am going to put another layer of fog starting from the base of these pine trees. After that, I am going to make a lighter tone of gray for another 2 pine trees below the first set. This time I am going to make pine trees in a close distance so this will look bigger and darker. When it is fully dry, I am going to paint a thin layer of white. As I do this, I put a small amount of white acrylic on my brush. I am adding some more pine trees at the bottom part of the canvas, using this pencil mark as a guide. And there you have it, our misty landscape in the forest. I so believe that you can paint your own version of this too. Just simply follow the steps I gave you. Thank you for joining me in today's art session. This has been Charlotte Art. Have a nice painting!